Who doesn't like crispy wings? Of course, skin again. Welcome everyone to my channel. Again, doing something different. And today I'm cooking and making my favorite dish, which is chicken wings, but not any chicken wings. Crispy chicken wings in the oven, and also getting that skin of the chicken crackling, crispy and crunchy. Alongside with that, I'll be doing potatoes and carrots as well, and a chicken gravy. This is the full wing, but for this recipe, I have broken down it to 3 pieces. I got the butcher to do it, so I'm not doing it myself. For seasoning the wings very quickly, I'm going to get garlic powder, 1 tablespoon, just less than 1 tablespoon, paprika, onion powder, salt, just over 1 tablespoon, and baking powder, because baking powder gives that skin the crunchiness, because it lets the carbon dioxide come out. I don't know, I just saw a recipe as well, and it's my research, but this is the way to get the most crispy skin. So now I'm going to just put my chicken wings in and coat them evenly. I have left the chicken wings to dry out in the morning, so that they don't have a lot of moisture and water has evaporated. So this is how it looks like, you know, well seasoned. I mean, it really depends, but I like it spicy. And of course, now let it rest. You could do it overnight so that the skin can tighten up, but it's fine. I mean, chicken just takes 2 to 3 hours. So in this case, I'm just marinating it for 1 hour. But there's one more thing to show you. So the marinated chicken is resting, and this is not something disgusting. It's chicken skin, and I love crispy chicken skin, and that's what I'm going to make. So it's same sort of ingredients going into the chicken skin, but you lay it out flat and you'll see the results. So my skin is going in. So I am making my coating for vegetables and potatoes with butter and garlic. Best combination. Fresh garlic is better than the powder one. So I'm just going to now close the heat because I don't need it, and toss my potatoes in it so that all the skin is covered with the butter and the garlic. So now I'm going to toss my carrots in the same butter and garlic mixture. So my oven prep is done, and now I'm just going to line up everything in the oven trays and into the oven, and my oven is heating up at 200 degrees for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It'll preheat and then things will go in. As you can see, trays are in the oven, and now for a wait. It usually take 1.5 hours to get the caramelization I'm looking for. Let's see how long it takes. I keep on opening and looking. It's a amateur cooking style. Chicken skins are also going in, and same again, I'm using the same oven for everything. I mean, ideally you could do separately the vegetables and chicken because the timing and the heating is different, but I'll keep an eye on everything. Now for the gravy, and I'm just boiling water with onion in it, and once it's on the boil, I'll let you know what I put in. This is very quick, and you can make lots of gravies with different flavors with this simple recipe. So now the water is boiling, and I'm just going to put in 1 carrot and 2 chicken cubes, chicken stock basically, and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Add in a bit of chili and gravy granules. I always use them. They are suitable for vegetarians, and they give that like a stocky umami flavor, and they thicken the sauce as well. So now I think all the flavors are in there, and I'm just adding soy sauce, and now I'm going to blend the sauce, make it thick, and rich in flavor. Oh, I need to turn on. The sauce is ready. You can see, you can tell by these bubbles, they have thickened up as well, the consistency. So it's just been over an hour. I have just taken them out. You can see the skin is becoming crispy, but if I flip, the other side is still, requires some cooking to dry it out as well, and the fat is coming out as well. So it's going back in the oven after flipping. Now I've taken out the potatoes and carrots are nearly done, and it's just again 1 hour, and you can see at 220 degree what happens. And now I'm just going to paste the potatoes with the skin, melted skin I collected from the wings, because it'll just add to that flavor in the skin of the potatoes, and when we bite into it we'll get it. So it's a don't waste anything. This is like the best thing coming out of the skin which you want, and you can cover your vegetables with it. Full 2 hours, and nearly I'm gonna take it out, and look at that. Look at the steam coming in, and the color on the chicken, and also on the potato. You can see the skin has crisped up with everything which we put in, well cooked. Here it is, crispy skin and crunchy chicken wings, but meat inside is tender because the skins provide natural coating, and the baked potato is hot in the middle. You can have butter and seasoning itself, and the carrot is not crunchy. It goes well with all the crispiness. So मैं पहले स्किन ट्राई करता हूँ, और चिकन स्किन है, not crisps or anything else, but this is chicken. और साथ में wing जो है वो you can have it alone or in the chicken dip as well. So yeah, maybe with the chicken skin I could have like lower the heat, लेकिन वो सब कुछ एक साथ बनाते हैं मुश्किल होती है. But I guess taste has come. One more time. This is the part we throw away, but don't. It looks like the crunchiest wing fries you can ever have. Of course, skin again, just like a popper, and the chicken wing itself. Too good. Yeah, carrot is just falling apart, and gravy is great consistency. It's clinging on to the carrot as well. Driving good effort cleaning up करनी है, but I hope you enjoyed the recipe. It works. So it worked for everything within 2 hours. Well, the prep is a lot, but the cooking time is 2 hours. Just put it in the oven and then you can go about your business. Thank you.